Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a puzzle which says that there are five finalists of a beauty contest. These are their names and they were assessed on three parameters: looks, personality, and intelligence. And they were given a rating of 1 to 5. Here are the conditions given to us that scores of no two models was the same in any of the parameters. So that means in every parameter the scores were given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one got a different score. No model was assigned the same score in all three parameters. Okay. No two models were assigned the same score in exactly two parameters. Only two models were assigned same score in two parameters. So there will be two models. Let us say looks and personality, they will have the same score, or looks and intelligence, they might have the same score. So this way they are two models, same score in two parameters. And there are some more conditions which are followed by four questions. So let us make a table and fill it based on the given conditions. Okay. So let's begin. We can make a table like this: looks, personality, intelligence, and these five people. The score obtained by Richa in looks was equal to score obtained by Chitra in personality, which was 4. Richa in looks and Chitra in personality is 4. Okay. Now the score of Bhavya in looks was one more than her score in intelligence. Let's see. Her intelligence score is X. So her looks score will be X plus 1. Okay. Intelligence, which in turn was 2 less than her score in personality. So intelligence is 2 less than personality, so personality score will be X plus 2. Now we know that each model got a different score in all the parameters. So X cannot be 3. What are the possible values? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Because maximum you can go up to 5, right? So X cannot be 3 because 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. X cannot be 2 because 2 plus 2 will become 4. So X is 1. So these are 2, 3 and 1. Next statement. Neither Richa nor Sumita scored in any of the parameters was 5. So uh, Richa and Sumita cannot have a score of 5 in any of the parameters. The score of Aarti in intelligence was equal to that of Richa in looks. Aarti in intelligence, Richa in looks. So number is 4. And the score of Chitra in looks was the same as that of Richa in personality. Chitra in looks, Richa in personality, same score. Let us say that this score is Y. So let us find the possible values of Y. Y cannot be 2 because two people cannot get a score of 2. Y cannot be 3 or 4 because two people cannot get the same score in any parameter. Now, can Y be 5? No, because Richa did not get 5 in any of the parameters. So that means Y is 1. So this value is 1. Okay. Now we are left with two numbers. 1, 2, 4 is done. 3 and 5 are remaining. Now Sumita cannot get 5. So 3, 5. 1, 3, 4, 2 and 5 are remaining. Sumita cannot get 5. So this will be 5 and this will be 2. Right. So we can add this total. Now, in this parameter, third parameter, intelligence, they cannot get 5. So this will be 5. So this is 10. And these are left with 2 or 3. Right? Any other condition left? This we have used. This we have used. Only two models were assigned the same score in exactly two parameters. So one model is Aarti. Okay, one is this. Another, we cannot have this. Now what are the scores left? 2 or 3. Okay. This is not that model. So if I put 2 here and 3 here, this condition is satisfied. If I put 3 here, if I put 2 here, this condition is satisfied. So in either case, the condition is satisfied. So if you take 3 here, so it will be 3, 3 in 2 parameters. If you take 2 here, 2, 2 in 2 parameters. The total score is 7 or 8. This is 6, 8 or 7. So first question is, what score did Richa obtain in intelligence? We cannot determine her score in intelligence. Who obtained the highest score? So that is clearly Aarti. Which two models had the same score in exactly 2 parameters? So the ones are Aarti and what is this? Sumedha. Okay, we can determine this. We cannot determine in which two parameters they got the same score, but we can determine the people who got the same score in 2 parameters. Okay, the person is same. We do not know the parameters though. Which of the following statements is definitely false? Richa's total was higher than that of Sumedha. Now Richa's score can be higher, right? We cannot say that that is definitely false. Score obtained by Aarti in personality is 5. That is true. The score obtained by Sumedha was more than Aarti in at least one parameter. Sumedha more than Aarti? No, no, no. So that is definitely false. So these are the answers to the questions related to the set.